All right. So here's the after. We dropped in that last pallet aside. We put the classic in closest to the fence because it gets much more shade. As you can see, sprinklers going. We got good coverage. And we got a value sprinkler system. Not too expensive. And I want to show it to you real quick. I'm going to have to move it down a little bit. This is a little Orbit sprinkler system. Works great. It's a digital grayed out. It has 4 stations. Right now it's controlling all the stations. And there's only 2 stations hooked up right now. There's 2 hoses. The yellow one's going to the back. You see that hose back there. And the gray is running those 2 sprinklers over there. Just designed to save you a little bit of money when you need to save money. Let's check out the little back sprinkler. This area we're gonna have to revisit because there's gonna be some more prep needed because there's a lot of roots and old giant little shrubs that have grown in here. So that little guy will water that area. All right, sprinklers on. Gonna do some final little adjustments, and we are out of here. Let me get a more wide-angle shot. Yeah, I think this one, we just got to move it up a little bit. We'll make a few final adjustments here. Super Team, the 18. Get a couple pictures. This is not the best time to take pictures in the middle of the afternoon, but that's how we're gonna do it. Hey, you see another shirt? Yeah, I got another shirt, bro.